So, I'd like you to take a moment to settle in to a comfortable position. And when you're ready, simply close your eyes and take a deep breath, a cleansing breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the essence of tranquility. Exhale slowly, releasing all tension and stress. And continue to breathe slowly and deeply, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into a state of relaxation. And I'd like you to imagine yourself as a master carver, standing before a beautiful piece of green wood. This piece of wood represents your being, full of potential and ready to be shaped into something extraordinary. And as we journey together, we will explore the parts of the wooden spoon, each one reflecting a different part of yourself. So, first, let's begin with the bowl of the spoon. This is the part that holds and nourishes. Imagine the bowl as your heart, the centre of your compassion and love. It is deep and capable of holding vast amounts of kindness and empathy. Feel the warmth and generosity within your heart, knowing that you have the capacity to nurture and care for others as well as yourself. And with each breath, let your heart expand, filling with unconditional love. And as your heart opens, envision it as a radiant vessel of light, capable of holding the essence of the universe's boundless love. Allow yourself to feel the divine connection that flows through your heart, linking you to every living being. This is the sacred space within you, where hope is born, where dreams take root, and where the seeds of kindness grow. Feel the warmth spreading throughout your entire being like the gentle rays of the sun at dawn, illuminating everything it touches. Each heartbeat sends waves of love and compassion outward, touching not only your life but the lives of those around you. Recognise this infinite source of love within you, and know that it is always available, always abundant. And as you breathe in, imagine drawing in the purest form of love, filling your heart to its fullest capacity. And as you breathe out, visualise this love radiating from your heart, reaching out to encompass the world around you. This love is healing, it is transformative, and it is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. And with each inhale, let the feeling of love and compassion grow stronger, more vibrant. With each exhale, release any remnants of fear or doubt or negativity, making room for even more love. Your heart, the bowl of the spoon, is an endless wellspring of positive energy, capable of bringing warmth and light to every aspect of your life. Allow yourself to dwell in this feeling of expansiveness, where your heart is both a sanctuary and a beacon of hope. Here, in this space, you are whole, you are complete, and you are a vessel of unconditional love. Next, we move to the neck of the spoon, the connection between the bowl and the handle. The neck is strong yet flexible, allowing for a seamless flow of energy. Visualise the neck as your throat, the centre of your communication and self-expression. It is through this channel that you share your truth with the world. Feel the clarity and strength in your voice, knowing that you have the power to express yourself authentically and with confidence. And with each breath, let your voice resonate with honesty and integrity. Imagine your throat as a crystalline passageway, a luminous channel where your deepest thoughts and feelings transform into words. This passageway is open and free, unimpeded by fear or doubt. It glows with a bright, pure light, symbolising the clarity and purity of your communication. And as you inhale, feel this light filling your throat, infusing it with the energy of truth and understanding. And as you exhale, Let this light carry your words out into the world, each one a shining beacon of your inner wisdom and love. Your voice is a gift, a unique melody that contributes to the symphony of human connection. Picture each word as you speak as a beautiful, delicate thread, weaving a tapestry of connection between you and those around you. These threads are strong and flexible, able to bridge gaps and create bonds. They carry your truth, your kindness, and your intention to connect deeply with others. With each breath, feel the strength of your voice growing. It is a powerful instrument, capable of expressing your deepest truths and your most profound love. Trust in the power of your words, knowing that you have the ability to heal, to inspire, and to bring people together. Envision your words as seeds of light, planted in the hearts and the minds of those who hear them. These seeds grow into beautiful flowers of understanding, empathy, and connection. With every conversation, you are creating a garden of shared experiences and mutual respect. Feel the joy and fulfillment that comes from expressing yourself authentically. There is a profound sense of liberation and empowerment in speaking your truth. Your voice is a bridge, connecting your inner world with the outer world and fostering a sense of unity and harmony. And as you continue to breathe, let the light in your throat expand, reaching every corner of your being. This light is a testament to your ability to communicate with clarity, to connect with others deeply, and to express your authentic self with confidence and grace. Know that your voice matters, that your words have weight and significance. Embrace the beauty of this truth and carry it with you as you navigate the world, sharing your light and love through every word you speak. Now we come to the handle of the spoon, the part that provides support and direction. The handle represents your backbone, the core of your strength and resilience. It guides you through life's challenges, providing you with the stability and courage to move forward. Feel the solidity and the determination in your spine, knowing that you are capable of standing tall and facing whatever comes your way. And with each breath, let your backbone be infused with unwavering strength and resolve. And as you inhale, draw in the essence of this strength, feeling it travel up your spine, fortifying each part of your backbone. And with each exhale, release any fears and doubts that may linger, allowing them to be replaced by a profound sense of stability and confidence. Your spine is a pillar of fortitude, a symbol of your ability to remain grounded and strong, no matter what challenges arise. Envision your spine glowing with a radiant golden light, a beacon of your resilience. This light extends from the base of your spine to the top of your head, illuminating your entire being. It is a source of unwavering support, reminding you that you have the power to stand tall and face any obstacle with courage and grace. And as you focus on your spine, extend this sense of strength and resilience to your core. Your core is the centre of your physical and emotional strength, providing balance and stability. Feel the power in your abdomen, the muscles wrapping around your spine, supporting and protecting it. With each breath, let your core become stronger, more resilient, a powerhouse of energy and determination. Imagine your core as the furnace of your being, generating warmth and strength that radiates throughout your body. This core strength supports you in every movement, in every decision, giving you the foundation to act with purpose and clarity. And with each inhale, draw in the energy of the earth, feeling it rise through your feet, your legs, and into your core, filling you with a sense of grounded power. And reflect on the times in your life when you have faced difficulties and emerged stronger. Each experience has added to the strength of your backbone and core, reinforcing your ability to persevere. Trust in your inner strength, knowing that it is always there, always ready to support you. As you continue to breathe, let the golden light in your spine and core spread throughout your entire body, infusing every cell with resilience and resolve. Feel the grounding energy flow from your spine and core into your legs and feet, anchoring you firmly to the earth. This connection provides a steady foundation, allowing you to move forward with confidence and stability. And with each breath, affirm your strength and resilience. Know that you are like the handle of the spoon, a source of support and direction not only for yourself, but also for those around you. Your strength and resilience inspire others, providing them with the courage to stand tall and face their own challenges. So carry this sense of resilience and core strength within you, knowing that you are supported by an inner strength that is unbreakable. Embrace the power of your backbone and core, and let it guide you through life's journey with unwavering determination and grace. And finally, we reach the keel of the spoon, the ridge running along the underside of the handle. The keel represents your foundation, the grounding force that keeps you centered and balanced. It is your connection to the earth, your source of stability and security. Visualize your keel as your roots, deeply embedded in the ground, drawing nourishment and strength from the earth. Feel the grounding energy flowing through you, keeping you anchored and steady. And with each breath, let your roots grow deeper, providing you with a firm and unwavering foundation. Imagine your keel as a powerful root system, reaching deep into the fertile soil of the earth. These roots are not only strong and resilient, but also interconnected with the roots of ancient trees and plants, forming a vast intricate network. And this network symbolizes the timeless wisdom and the support of the natural world, a source of endless nourishment and stability. And as you inhale, draw up the energy of the earth through your roots. Feel this grounding energy rise through your feet, your legs, and into your core, filling you with a sense of stability and peace. This energy is warm and nurturing, like the embrace of the earth itself, reminding you that you are always supported and never alone. With each breath, allow your roots to extend even deeper into the earth, intertwining with the roots of ancient trees. These trees have stood the test of time, weathered countless storms, and remain steadfast. Their wisdom and strength flow into you, grounding you to the present moment and providing you with a sense of timeless stability. And visualize this grounding energy flowing throughout your entire body, anchoring you firmly to the earth while also allowing you to stand tall and move freely. This balance between being firmly rooted and able to grow upwards is the essence of true grounding. It is what allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace and poise. Feel the peace that comes from being deeply connected to the earth. This connection is your foundation, your keel, providing unwavering support and security. It reminds you that no matter what storms may come, you have the strength and stability to remain centered and balanced. You are part of a magnificent web of life, connected to all living beings through this grounding force. And reflect on the times when you have felt grounded and balanced, and know this sense of stability has helped you navigate difficult situations. And know that you can return to this state of groundedness whenever you need, simply by connecting with the earth and drawing on its strengths. And as you continue to breathe, let this sense of grounding and balance expand, filling your entire being with a deep sense of peace and security. You are rooted in the earth, connected to its timeless wisdom and supported by its nurturing energy. This is your keel, your foundation, your source of unwavering stability. So carry this grounding energy with you, knowing that you can always rely on it to keep you centered and balanced in all aspects of your life. Embrace the strength and stability of your keel and let it guide you through life's journey with confidence and serenity. And as we conclude this journey, take a moment to appreciate the beautiful spoon that you have carved. It is a reflection of your true self, crafted with love and strength and authenticity. Know that within you lies the capacity to nourish, communicate, support, and remain grounded. Embrace these qualities as you move through your day, carrying the essence of the wooden spoon within you. So, take one final deep breath, inhaling the sense of wholeness and completeness, and exhale slowly, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of balance and inner strength within you, knowing that you are the master carver of your own life.